So for a long time I haven't made many YouTube videos. I have been working and then working some more, and then the family grew somehow, and I have recorded a bunch of stuff which I'm in the process of editing, but I'm not there yet, so bear with me there for a little bit. But I want to do a couple more videos. I want to do some machine reviews, some welding techniques, some engineering background on how certain things work. I got an Instagram now, and I'm kind of tossed this idea out there. I think the Miller Monday would be a good idea. So I got some props here, all aluminum. It will be good welding with Miller. And so yeah, that's the update in a short version, what happened to me and why I haven't been there that much. But I'm going to be ramping up the videos a little bit and getting back in the groove of things and see how that all turns out.